If you have multiple locations added to your Shopify store and you no longer use one of them and you want to delete or deactivate a location, let me show you how to do so. So once you're inside your Shopify store, click on settings on the lower left hand side. And from here, you want to go to where it says locations. Click on that. Now you will be able to see your locations that you have, both active and not active. So you have a section called all, then active, then inactive. And so what you want to do is simply select the location that you want to mark as not active. So let's take, for example, this first one here. I can click on this. Once you're inside the address details, you can scroll all the way to the bottom and you will have deactivate location. Click on that, then click deactivate. And as you can see, the address is now deactivate. Now, if you look here to the bottom, you also have the option to delete the address. But if you just want to keep it, then all you have to do is just simply go back to addresses and you will see that you have active and inactive address, and you can even go to separate tabs to see them both. And yeah, that's basically how you do it, guys. So again, if you want to delete any of those address after marked as inactive, you will be having the option at the bottom to actually delete an address. And that's it. You can delete the location and you can confirm it. That's how you'll be able to delete an inactive address. And that's it.